Yes, people, without the content. So the water taking over the land. Hello, people. So with the water coming up of content. Yes, people at content. When the water's coming up under the ground, taking over the land in Mandeville. See the water taking over the place. If you want to find this place, you can come at the runabout at Kendal in Mandeville. Water taking over. The water is rising, people. See, the water is rising. I'm hearing that people say this was caused by the backside company. Can you give you a picture of the backside company? You can see it in the forefront. See, the water is rising. People, you see the water is rising. Bodies come taking a view. Backside company. By next week or so, the water will be up here on the hill. Say gone now, tree then gone.
Yes, one I left the tip. Next one, that one. Next time we pass that, so we don't see none of them tree then I make the song. And it in a one next time. You know in the pass it then? Start to go over the side.
Oh, there's some seaports you can come from.
So that's why the rising. Over this a full.
So the road probably go flood too.
Yeah, man. Any over this a full, that means
I go back up to that town car. I don't want to see the time there, so if you come back up in my town and I can't swim around them, I just do that. Yeah. Yeah.
Water rising, people. People say this. That tree was in the middle of the water. But zoom into here.
We'll drive to the town or something. Then I'll come to and go to Corona and come back down. Alright. When you come back down to Manchester, you know, that's something
I made them tell me that tree there in the middle was a tall tree.
Tall tree.
All them places I just keep on rise, till all them places are covered.
Manchester River this morning. I see bird in England. No, watch the bird up.
So what cause it?
Eh?
So what cause it?
Something on that wrong mess up, man.
What do you mean?
Alright, it's because of the heat or rain. Somebody tell me say they feel earthquake, you know, I live down there, so you know,
Okay.
feel something like earthquake, so.
So me say at that factory they cause it, you know, the
You think so?
backside. So me people thought
I think so.
it's at the backside company.
It's a, there's an underground, you know. Underground water. No man.
I say, I'm not too long, it comes inside.
Over there so full, I didn't know where to go.
Inside full. Extra rise one full every day. Just check in. Over there so full, I'm gonna have a night. I don't know where to go.
This is right as well. Send back to door.
Anytime go by road, right? Nobody come here in a full like this. You want to go full of water? You see? I want to go by this one. I'm full again. I'm full up. Let's go. Just have to keep on rising.
Yes, my viewer, I'm gonna take it to another part in Manchester where the water rises and cover the people, them houses. I'm gonna carry over that side. This side is part you take it in Kendal. You can see the water cover. You can see the water flowing from that side. See it is flowing. The seismic is coming from the back side here. Take a look. See from the back side here. People, after the storm, after Hurricane Melissa, they felt earthquake. I don't know how true it is. These people are looking at the container of the water. They say this water is rising. It's going to take over Mandeville. We're going in the bushes. We're going. Yeah? You say you never see like this?
No. See the tar, you know. See what I'm going on. So this is the other side of the road. Down at Kendal. You know these are the dig out, mine out place. So them dig out and mine out and left. You see the problem up on
Sure,
the
man.
When better look here.
Morning.
Remember say if you come and I say that if you will have some dirty,
all this done, man. And for this tear off, you know. That loose dirt, you know.
yeah. Where the fuck are going? Water that come up this side, you know?
Yeah, water that.
More, you know?
Yeah, water that come up on the road. The road surface.
You see the water over there? You see it have rise, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You see the pressure fee come over, fee soak and now. You realize over there not much higher now. So it have rise up. If you continue, it have come up more.